Hi guys, I'm back with question 3. This one says Thomas Carlyle tells you this message using the Tapcode Cipher. What does it say? Okay, the Tapcode Cipher. This one is one that you're going to have to memorize. It's not very difficult because you already know the alphabet, okay? And I know that you know how to draw a grid. So you're going to draw a 5 by 5 grid on the corner of your sheet. Okay, if you want to draw it on your key for now, you can. I'm not sure if you can write on that paper on the test. That's a question we might can ask somebody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Really didn't make it quite long enough. Okay, and don't take all day to do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, and you're going to set up your grid this way. Your numbers are going to go on the outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then they're also going to go vertically or down. 4, 5. Then you're going to start writing your alphabet. The only trick is you're going to skip the letter K and you're going to come back and put it in later. I'll show you where. Okay, so A, B, C, D, E. You're going to come down to the next row. F, G, H, I, J. So the same way we read, the same way we write, it's the same way we're writing these letters. Oh, you know what I did? Don't do what I just did, you guys. That's what I was going to tell you to do later. Okay, because the C and the K make the same sound in the alphabet for the most part, they actually combine that. So you can do it at the same time if you can remember. But it's C or K. You might have to play with that part. That might be the trick to it. So H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Alright, now you have your code and you can start. The tap code, I'm pretty sure, goes back to Morse code, if I'm not mistaken, so it's pretty cool. The very first thing is going to be a number, and this is 2 dots, so you're going to write the number 2 beside it. And then you have a space, you put a comma here, and you have 3 more dots, so 2, 3. Okay, because these are your first 2 numbers, they get a parentheses around it. And we've made what we call a coordinate. Okay, I told you earlier when you were doing the Visionaire cipher that we were learning coordinates with letters. Now you're learning coordinates with numbers. Okay, and that's a 4th and 5th grade, really a 5th grade skill. So you're all set up when you get there. Okay, this is going to be 2 dots, comma, 1, 2, 3, 4 dots. Do not forget to put your parentheses or you will get super confused along the way. If you try to do it before you put your numbers, you might get confused on which dots are paired together. So don't do that either. Take your time, do it one at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now once you do that, let me finish this one row. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. You guys can continue as well. You're welcome to pause the video if you need to, and then check your work if I'm going too fast for you. Okay, I did the first row, and we're going to go ahead and decode these coordinates. I'll show you how. Okay, we're always going to go down and then over. Don't forget, think about your L. It goes down and over. And it's a grid. It's got a right angle, down and over, down and over. All right. We're going to go down 2 and over 3. Down 2, over 3. That leaves us at letter H. Okay, so these 2 dots stand for letter H. We're going to go down 2 over 4. Down to the second row, over to the 4th column. Letter I is there. Okay. One more thing I forgot to tell you, because I always seem to get ahead of myself in these videos, is don't forget to look for coordinates that are the same. So I don't have any coordinates that are the same here, but once you do the numbers to all of them, and remember you should be doing the numbers to all of them first, then you might see some similarities in the numbers. You might see that this 2 and a 3 is down here somewhere as well. I don't quite see that. Oh, 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. Yep, there's one right there. And I know that because this is a pair. This is a pair. That will always start as a pair, okay? It won't go from one row to the next. Let's see, so 2 and 3, we said that that was an H. Go ahead and put another H down. Do I see a 2 and a 4? It's kind of hard to see, you guys, but I've been working on these some. So 4 and 3, go down to 4 over 3. That letter is S. Down 4 over 4. That letter is T. Hist. Hist. Okay, histing. You can start thinking about maybe a word. Got 3 more letters. Down 3 over 4. Let's see, down 3 over 4, letter O. Down 4 over 2, letter R. This coordinate is down 5 over 4. Down 5 over 4, letter Y. Alright, so we know the first word is now history. Woo! We've solved a little bit of the puzzle. I'm going to let you guys keep going on your own, and let's see if you can figure out the rest. Good luck, and I will see you in the next video for the aristocrat cipher.